time for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah.
Well, hello and welcome to day 2 of the piano course. And we're at Hot Cross Buns again, and I've got good news for you. Measures 3 and 4 are exactly the same as measures 1 and 2. So this is kind of like a review, just to make sure that we got good at what we did yesterday. So if you remember from yesterday, we took both pointer fingers and we pressed C and E at the same time. And then we counted to 2 when we did that. So let's try it. 1, 2. And then we switch down here for 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that? Give it a try, and then we're going to do exactly the same thing again. Back to C on the left hand, and E up here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 1, 2, and then both C's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's hear it from the very beginning, and this is what you can practice as soon as I'm done. We could count to 4 to start, but you don't have to play along with me, but just watch it so you know how it goes. And if you want to try to play along, though, because you feel like you can, then go ahead. Ready? So I'll count off. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you're very young and you can get even close to that, then that's really good. If you're a little bit older and you feel like, oh, this is so easy, then don't worry. It's going to get a little bit crazier as the semester goes on. So, all right, you're doing a good job. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And you'll see I posted some videos of different versions of Hot Cross Buns that you can listen to. So watch one of those and then leave a comment telling me what you think. All right? Good job. And that's all for today. Bravo.